All right, this video, we got some more supplies from the Amazon, right? So let's get into it. First up, never used these, the Inkzol markers from Milwaukee. I don't know how they are. I don't know if they work good or not. But I figure, working with wood and metal, they may be all right. If anybody's ever used these, leave me a comment down there in the comment section and let me know how they work, or if you like them or if you don't like them. So we'll find out when I start using them. And I'm not going to open these. I mean, you can see it's a marker. So usually I open the packages and let everybody see them. But I mean, like I said, you can see what it is. It's markers. And there's the part number right there if you want to see that. Right up there. A lot of people want to see that kind of stuff. This here, kind of weird, came in two little boxes. That's nylon cable ties. Now, somebody else, I was watching another channel and somebody mentioned these. I already knew about them, but somebody mentioned them, and the other person on the channel goes, yeah, they've been around for 20 or 30 years. I've used them. These have not. So I don't know what he's talking about. Regular zip ties, tie straps, whatever you want to call them, they have, but these haven't. Anyway, that's beside the point. Some people got to know it all, right? So I'll show you what this is. Their tie straps got a little T on the end. You can get them where they're round on the end, but you stick it through a hole and then you stick a round piece over it and it tightens up, and then you just flush cut it off. I'll show you. Next up, let's see. Brake caliper hooks. Everybody knows what them are. I will open these and show you. Don't know why I need to. I just did, but I'll show you again. Next up, I have more brake clean. To me, in my opinion, this CRC brake clean is the best you can get. Now, I think the next in line to this is possibly the 3M. But I don't think they make it anymore, or you can't find it anymore. But this CRC has always been the best you can get. And they make it in the green can or red. Where the green is, it's red. One's chlorinated, one's non-chlorinated. I think this one is the non-chlorinated, yeah. It tells you right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. Next up, I have some ceramic brake lube, brake grease. Right. Next up, knock her loose. Thought I was joking, right? It really says knock her loose. This stuff's been around for a long time. Sometimes you can find it, sometimes you can't. But it's also made by CRC. This is some good stuff. Penetrating solvent. Loosens frozen metal parts. Dissolves rust and corrosion. That's a good claim, and it lubricates and prevents rust. Like I said, this stuff does work pretty good. I've used it before, but I haven't even thought about using it for a long time. Until I seen Tommy Bosher's video. You know who that is, right? The guy that used to be on the Power Block on TV, all the car shows. I don't remember what he was on, Detroit Muscle. They changed the names of them around so much, it's kind of hard to keep track of them. But he mentioned it in one of his videos, and I was like, oh, yeah. I've used that stuff before. I'm going to try to find some. And I did. So, anyway. let me get this stuff open and show you. All right, first up, I don't know why they always got to insist on putting these little rubber caps on the end to keep you from hurting yourself, I guess. If you're that worried about hurting yourself, maybe you probably shouldn't be working on a car or doing brake jobs. But anyway, you don't have to use it just for brake calipers. You can use this to hang anything up out of the way that might be in your way, right? You take the brake caliper loose, hook this on the strut or wherever on the vehicle, and brake caliper right there, and let it hang. Don't let the caliper hang from the hose. That's a no-no. I have some black ones, quite a few of them, and I had some red ones, but the red ones was really small and not very sturdy. They bent real easy. Sometimes the caliper would bend it and fall out. And I got some black ones, but they're a lot bigger around than these, and they're really not that sturdy either. It's just like it's got a big, thick coating on it. I don't like them. So that's why I got these. These are cool. And there's two. Metal, not plastic. All right. Next up, I don't need to show you the brake clean and knocker loose and the silly ram it again, do I? No. Two of them. One of these was in each. One in one box, one in the other. You see their line right there is two boxes. Kind of weird how they packaged it, but whatever. But there's a bunch of them. Let me see if it says. It does not say anywhere on this box. So let me get the paper. There's 100 of them. It says right there. Somewhere right in here is 100 of them. Right there. Anyway. There's 100 of them, so I'm assuming there's 50 in each box or bag. So let me show you one up close. Now, like I said, you can get these that don't have the T on it. It just has a round piece like this on this end. But it also has this that goes on this end. What this does is, I don't really have any way to hook this to anything to show you what I'm talking about, but like on fender wells or plastic bumper covers or whatever, if you have one that comes loose and clips missing or it broke or whatever, you stick this through the hole out the other side of the bumper cover or the inner fender liner or whatever, and then you put this on it. I'm going to waste one. Put this on it and tighten it down against whatever you're trying to hold in place, and it holds it pretty tight. And then you just take the flush cuts and cut it right there. Then it don't look like a zip tie. You don't have a zip tie around it. You don't have to drill extra holes. It just looks like a regular push tab. It's pretty handy. I wonder, it looks like a can. So if you look right there, it looks like I can take a small screwdriver and open that up and take this back off so I don't waste it. We don't want to be wasteful, do we? No. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but this, I didn't just get one. Just like the last time, I got 6. There's 6 of these. Do you want to see them? Can you see them? 2, 4, 6. There's 6 of them, plus the knocker loose. I guess that's all I got for this video. Just wanted to show you this little bit of stuff. Some more shop supplies, I guess you'd call it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.